Work smarter. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.
Imagine reading 2 million pages of explosive documents in a single night. Impossible, right? Yet every journalist, researcher, and data hacker faces that mountain of noise daily. EpsteinFiles RAG is the open-source engine that turns that chaos into instant answers. Built on Python, MIT licensed, and hosted on Hugging Face, it pulls the entire Epstein Files dataset, cleans, chunks, vectorizes, and serves lightning-fast semantic search and question answering. The pipeline starts with a ruthless cleaning stage. All HTML tags, line breaks, and non-ASCII characters are stripped, while dates, names, and locations are normalized to a consistent format. This step removes junk that would otherwise drown the model in irrelevant tokens. Next, smart chunking breaks the corpus into bite-sized pieces of 300 to 500 words, preserving sentence boundaries so the context stays coherent. Each chunk is then embedded with a state-of-the-art transformer encoder, producing high-dimensional vectors that capture semantic meaning. Those vectors feed a FAISS index, a high-performance similarity search structure that can compare millions of vectors in milliseconds. When a user asks a question, the retrieval augmented generation loop first queries the index, pulls the top 5 most relevant chunks, and stitches them together as context for a generative language model. The model then crafts a concise answer that cites the original source, keeping latency under 2 seconds even on modest hardware. Continuous tweaks keep the system lean. Lazy loading ensures only the necessary parts of the index are kept in RAM, while batch processing speeds up the initial indexing phase. A simple configuration file lets you swap the embedding model, adjust chunk size, or point the pipeline at your own massive dataset without touching code. All of this lives in a single GitHub repository, ready for you to fork, customize, or scale. Why does this matter? Researchers can extract key facts from terabytes of leaked material in minutes instead of weeks. Investigative journalists can verify claims on the fly, and data hackers can build new tools that surface hidden connections. The open-source nature means the community can improve the pipeline, add multilingual support, or integrate it with other retrieval augmented generation frameworks. Ready to turn terabytes of noise into knowledge? The full code, step-by-step tutorial, and pre-trained models are waiting in the repo. Click the link in the description, star the project, and subscribe for more deep tech breakdowns. Drop a comment with the first question you ask the EpsteinFiles RAG engine, and we'll show you the answer in the next video.